If you're an intermediate Welsh learner, or even if you're pretty advanced, you know how frustrating it can be when you're stuck in the no man's land between getting by in Welsh and genuinely finding it easy and natural. It can feel incredibly disheartening. You've done a mountain of work and you don't feel as though you're getting the rewards you deserve. You can even start to believe that it's just never going to be natural and easy for you. And what's worse, when you ask for help, you almost always get told to listen to Radio Cymru, watch S4C and get into lots of conversations. Now, that advice isn't wrong, but you don't usually get told what a long, tough, challenging process it's going to be. There's a problem, you see, that you're trying to get used to much faster Welsh at the same time as having a lot of new words thrown at you. And those two challenges together are tough for your brain to deal with. We've been wanting to help with this at Say Something in Welsh for a long time, and we've finally reached the point where we've been able to invest in a solution for you. We're now producing a 30-minute spoken interview every week, and crucially, we're providing a transcript in Welsh and a translation in English. This gives you what's called comprehensible input, so you can listen once, then read the transcript to fill in some of the holes, then listen again, you'll notice the difference immediately, then read the translation to fill in more holes, and then listen for the last time. Our existing learners are already calling it the last piece of the jigsaw, and best of all, you don't need to be a Say Something in Welsh learner to get massive benefit from this exercise. It's exactly the input your brain needs to become more confident at recognising Welsh at speed and at building a larger and larger vocabulary. When you work through one recording a week for just a month, you'll see an immediate and incredibly encouraging difference in your Welsh, which will give you a new level of belief that you really can become a natural, confident Welsh speaker. If you'd like to find out more, click on the link in the description for this video or go to www.saysomethinginwelsh/intermediate.